Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can switch between Lite mode or Pro mode on the Bitfinex trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitfinex application on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage after logging in, if you wish to switch between Lite mode or Pro mode, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner. Now within the account page, you will see the Lite mode toggle. If this is turned on, then this means that you are using the Lite mode of the Bitfinex app. Tap on this toggle to turn it off, and now this will activate the Pro mode, which will also increase the available options. After this, you can go back to the trading page and continue to make your trade in Pro mode. You can once again switch between Pro or Lite mode at any point of time by going back into the account page. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to switch between Pro and Lite mode on the Bitfinex trading app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.